Another one of our client cars we like to showcase and just show off because it's a really cool, unique vehicle. We did some minor repairs on this, but it's a 2016 ACR Viper. The gentleman that owns this has a couple of different ones. This one he just got back from the racetrack and wanted to finish his race season out before we completed the repairs. So he had us install a new Dodge bumper on here, and then we did the modifications for the ACR package. If you come over here, you can see the old bumper wasn't in terrible shape, but it had some minor road rash and whatnot on the bottom. And the thing is with these ACRs, you still have to modify the factory bumper. So this is what the rest of that bumper looked like on the bottom, but you have to template it, cut it out. That way the ACR package and under protector will slide up over the bumper and then fit properly. And he had us leave his other air dam off the bottom here. He's going to have a new one fabricated. As you can see, this is the bottom side of it. It's pretty road rashed up, and so he'll be taking it back and getting the satin clear shield put on over the, this is a factory semi-gloss finish, so it's actually a clear coat over the base coat, and local company, Wichita Clear Bra, they do fantastic work on the clear shield, the clear bra that they install, and so that's where it's heading up to tomorrow to get that wrapped up. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you can follow us on our journey with all these unique, amazing vehicles that we're working on. Thanks for watching.